Baik teman-teman, di sini saya akan membuat sebuah line art. Pertama buka objeknya di file, pilih open. Kita pilih gambar yang mau kita buat line art. Oke. Setelah gambar terbuka, ini gambarnya sudah terbuka. Kita ke solid color, pilih warna putih. Oke, duplikat layernya. Oke, dan naikkan ke atas, lalu pilih pen tool. Jangan lupa save filenya warna hitam. Oke, ini objek yang mau kita buat line artnya. Pertama di bagian bentar, supaya lebih mudah. Pertama kita crop dulu objek yang mau kita gunakan. Oke, bagian T atau yang sering disebut area T, mata, hidung, mulut, itulah yang akan kita kerjakan pertama. Kita mulai dari matanya dulu, pelan-pelan, klik Alt ya, tarik lagi garisnya, klik Alt. Oke, kita cari bulat, klik sekali. Ellipse tool, kita buat bola matanya. Tahan. Warna hitam. Oke, kita bikin warna putih lagi lingkarannya. Oke, ke pen tool lagi, kita mulai dari matanya lagi. Klik Alt, ke garis, pelan-pelan. Oke, baru kita bikin warnanya hitam. Oke, ellipse tool lagi, tarik lagi. Oke, hitam lagi, kita bikin, tarik agak ke pinggir. Ellipse tool lagi, warnanya tarik dulu, putih. Oke, lanjut ke bagian alisnya. Kita bikin pelan-pelan. Oh, filenya warna hitam. Oke, kita buat alisnya. Tuh, buat alisnya uku. Oke, kita buat alisnya. Kita buat lagi garisnya. Klik alt, tahan. Nah, bentuk garisnya. Nah, sekarang bagian hidung. Ya. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Touching on your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. I could look at you all day, watch the way them hips sway. Love your body so I pray, don't you dare take it away. Can't control what I say, lost my mind cause your frame. Ini untuk bagian hidungnya pelan-pelan. Sekarang bagian mulutnya. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. Mulut, oke, tarik garisnya. Touching on your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Oke, mata, hidung, mulut sudah. Sekarang lihat sebentar. Oke, ini nampaknya line artnya udah terbentuk. Kita sempurnakan lagi. Kita buat bagian topinya sekarang. Girl, you got me shook from the way your body looks. Got me riding hooks, got me feeling like a rook. I don't do it by the book, but for you I'll take a look. Don't know what your mama took, sweet and spicy like a cook, yeah. I'll keep it real, let's make a deal. Buy you a meal if you just let me feel. Get out your heels, grab on the wheel. Back to my place at the top of the hill. Don't have regrets, I know what's next. She need a fresh, I'll be back in a sec. Look at them legs, don't make me beg. Back to the room, let me show you my bed. Touching on your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Touching on your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. I could look at you all day, watch the way them hips sway. Love your body so I pray, don't you dare take it away. Can't control what I say, lost my mind cause your frame. Hey girl, what's your name? Lit me up just like a flame. Body in motion, I feel the commotion, beyond you like lotion. I'm honest and broken, I flow like the ocean. I feel you were chosen to fix me, I'm broken. My heart that you stolen, hey. Stay with me, play with me, lay with me. Hate to see when you leave, chemistry feels like it's destiny. I just want you laying next to me, and I really don't want you to ever leave. On your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Touching on your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Klik alt, kita bikin oke, kita buat garis yang hitam-hitamnya supaya lebih spesifik. Maaf ada suara motor, jadi kurang kedengeran. Oke, kita lihat lagi hasilnya. Cep. Oke, Oke, kira-kira land artnya seperti itu. Seperti ini. Cukup sekian land art yang saya buat. Buat teman-teman jangan lupa supaya untuk komen, like, and subscribe channel ini. Terima kasih.